Break free from negative thinkings. Thanks for showing interest in watching this video. Let me ask two questions. Are your own thoughts stopping you from the life you want? Do you know how your negative thoughts holding you back from success? Let us talk about these negative thoughts today in this video. Your own negative thoughts. Many people have these common negative thoughts. I can't do this. I can't afford that. I don't have the confidence to speak. I'm not strong enough to lead. People will think badly of me if I speak up. I don't deserve success. If any of these resonate with you, they are examples of negative thinking and they have powerful impact. These thoughts hold you back, blocking your path to success. Negative statements from others. Sometimes others may say things like, "You are weak, you are not smart enough, you always make mistakes, you will never succeed unless you lie or cheat." Hearing such statements can steer you toward a negative mindset. If you initialize these, they can misguide you and lead you away from your goals. Your negative opinions about others. Negative thoughts about others also affects you. When you judge someone harshly, your subconscious mind absorbs it. Instead of wishing harm or misfortune on others, think of it this way. They will realize their mistakes and grow. They will find a better path. This shift in thinking helps not only them but also cleanses your mind from negativity. Emotions that harm. Feelings like fear, greed, anger, selfishness, and obsession with material things can drain you mentally and physically. These emotions slowly impact your well being. So, what can you do? Relax and become aware of how you handle these thoughts and emotions. Don't try to change others. Instead, control your own emotions. Follow the law, fulfill your responsibilities, and don't take things personally. Think positively. Positivity is a challenging but not impossible. Our minds are like magnets. What we think, we attract. Our positive energy can uplift not only ourselves but also the world around us. So, choose positive thoughts for your own sake and for the betterment of the world. Now, let us practice 50 powerful affirmations specially designed to stop negative thoughts and replace them with positive energy. Affirmations to stop negative thoughts. Relax. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and start these affirmations. I release all negative thoughts and welcome positivity. My mind is free from doubt, fear, and negativity. I let go of limiting beliefs that no longer serve me. I reject negative self talk and replace it with loving thoughts. Negative thoughts have no power over me. I release all fear based thinking and embrace love. I forgive myself for past mistakes and move forward with positivity. I am in control of my thoughts and I choose uplifting ones. I banish all negativity from my mind and soul. Every time a negative thought arises, I choose to think positively. Affirmations to invite positive energy. I am filled with positive energy and confidence. I radiate positivity and attract the same from others. I invite joy, love, and gratitude into my life. My mind is a source of powerful positive thoughts. I focus on what I can control and let go of what I cannot. My thoughts are powerful and I choose to focus on the good. I am a magnet for positivity, peace, and joy. I welcome positive change into my life. I fill my mind with positive, uplifting thoughts. I trust the flow of life and remain positive in every situation. Affirmations to reprogram the mind. My thoughts are aligned with my goals and desires. I am a positive thinker and only attract positive outcomes. I trust myself to handle anything that comes my way with grace and positivity. I choose thoughts that empower and uplift me. I believe in the power of my mind to create positive change. My subconscious mind is a reservoir of positivity. I focus on solutions, not problems. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth and learning. I am open to positive energy flowing into my life. My thoughts are filled with love, gratitude, and positivity. Affirmations to cultivate inner peace. I find peace in every situation, no matter how challenging. I am calm, centered, and focused no matter what surrounds me. I choose peace over worry. I release the need for perfection and embrace progress. My heart is full of peace and my mind is full of clarity. I handle stressful situations with grace and calm. I am grounded in peace and positive energy. I breathe in positivity and breathe out negativity. I replace anxiety with hope and fear with faith. I let go of the need to control and trust the universe to guide me. Affirmations to embrace positivity in daily life. Positive thoughts come to me easily and naturally. I focus on the good in my life and let go of what no longer serves me. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more positive and empowered. I approach every situation with optimism and a positive mindset. I create positive outcomes through my positive mindset. I am thankful for the abundance of positivity in my life. I attract positive people, experiences, and opportunities. I choose to see the beauty and positivity in everything around me. My life is a reflection of the positive energy I give out. I am worthy of all the love, happiness, and positivity the universe offers. These affirmations are designed to help you actively let go of negativity and invite positive, empowering energy into your life. You can read them daily to reprogram your mind toward positivity. Thank you. Thank you for listening this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it. Also please subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications whenever I upload new video. Thank you. Thank you very much.